Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Mazda key fob. Here's what I'm going to be using. One of these replacement batteries. This takes a 1620. You can get these off Amazon. They're just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description. And I have a small flat tip and a small Phillips head screwdriver. Alright, so right here, there is a little tab. So what you want to do is put your screwdriver right in that tab and kind of just pry it like that, and while you're doing that, push this front part out. Once you have that apart, take your screwdriver, place it right here, and there's a little opening right there where you can separate the two halves from each other. Okay, now you have access to your dead battery. Take one of the screwdrivers, pry that out. There's the old battery. The new 1620 goes in positive side facing down. You want to make sure these line up and then squeeze them back together. And then this just slides in like so. And you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.